Making your goal achievable means setting a goal that is realistic and attainable. Here are some tips to make your goal achievable. Consider your resources. Consider your available resources, such as time, money, skills, and support, when setting your goal. Make sure your goal is realistic given your current resources. Break your goal down into small, achievable steps. This will make it easier to see progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Focus on what you can control. Set goals that are within your control and avoid setting goals that depend on external factors. Be flexible. Be open to adjusting your goal if necessary. If you encounter roadblocks, adjust your plan or timeline to make your goal more achievable. By setting an achievable goal, you'll feel more motivated and less likely to get discouraged. It will also help you build momentum as you take small successes along the way to reach your overall goal. Making your goal measurable means that you must be able to measure your progress and success toward your goal. Here are some tips for making your goals measurable. Set goals. Set specific goals or milestones that will help you track your progress. Use tools to track progress. Use tools like a spreadsheet, app, or journal to track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and adjust your plan if necessary. Regularly evaluate your progress. Regularly check your progress and evaluate whether you are on track to achieve your goal. If not, make adjustments to your plan. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate when you reach a milestone or make progress towards your goal. This will help you stay motivated and reinforce your success. By making your goal measurable, you can track your progress, stay motivated, and increase your chances of success. Identify the who, what, when, where, and why. Ask yourself who will be involved, what you want to achieve, when you want to achieve it, where it will happen, and why it's important. Visualize the outcome. Imagine yourself achieving your goal and visualize the outcome. This will help you make your goal more concrete and tangible. Write it down. Write your goal down in a clear and specific statement. This will help you remember it and stay focused on achieving it. By being specific when defining your goal, you can clarify your vision and increase your chances of success. Define your goal clearly. Make sure you have a clear and specific goal in mind. It should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break it down. Break your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Create a plan. Develop a plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goal. Consider obstacles that may arise and strategies to overcome them. Stay focused on your goal and avoid distractions. This may mean creating a routine, setting boundaries, and eliminating time-wasting activities. Seek support from friends, family, or a coach to help you stay accountable and motivated. Celebrate your success. Celebrate your successes along the way. This will help you stay motivated and reinforce your progress. Define your goal clearly. Make sure you have a clear and specific goal in mind. Defining your goal clearly is an essential step in achieving success. Here are some tips to help you define your goal. Make it measurable. Your goal should be measurable, so you can track your progress and adjust your plan if necessary. Use numbers or other metrics to make your goal measurable. Make it achievable. Make sure your goal is realistic and achievable within a reasonable time frame. If your goal is too ambitious, you may become discouraged and give up. Make it relevant. Your goal should be relevant to your life and your values. Make sure it aligns with your long-term aspirations and is something that you truly want. Make it time-bound. Your goal should have a deadline or timeline to help you stay focused and motivated. Set a specific date by which you want to achieve your goal. By following these guidelines, you can define your goal clearly and set yourself up for success.